Hey guys, Mr. Boyle. Last unit, unit 3, which is unusual order because of the circumstances, on taxonomy and evolution. And so I'm going to have around 4 or 5 videos. I got to put a couple up today and we'll just work our way. You got lots of time on that assignments. There's about 6 weeks, so give me a call if you need help. So when we look at taxonomy, it is a universal naming system for all organisms, and there's at least 6 or 7 million types of organisms. That's not animals or that's individual species. So many species. You look at arthropods like the insects. There's literally millions of different ones. So you need a naming system to kind of categorize them and show who's related to who. Now, using that system, it uses evolutionary relationships. How did they evolve and how are they related to that? And there's a few categories that we use. One, like body structure. Do they look the same? A tiger and a lion look a lot alike. They're obviously very related. They're biochemical. We can do DNA and RNA analysis to show how many genes are exactly the same or slightly different, a little bit of mutation and changes. The more closely related we are DNA-wise, obviously the more closely our evolutionary relationships are. Cytological, what types of cells does the organism have? How many chromosomes? Most of the primates like us we have 46 chromosomes. They're either 44, 46, or 48, all the primates. So it shows a close relationship there. Embryological, how do they develop? They have internal or external fertilization. Do they develop in the womb? Or do they develop in an egg? All of those factors are related. What is their behavior? Sometimes the difference between one organism and another, they might look a lot alike, but their behavior is different. And then lastly, we look at fossils and, what did their ancestors look like? How did they change? Who was a common ancestor way back? You look at mammals. Mammals evolved from reptiles, all right? Eventually developing, the ability to produce milk, all right, and have hair on the body. It's kind of the 2 main characteristics of a mammal. Now, this system was developed by Carolus Linnaeus of Sweden. And basically, the categories get smaller as you go down. Domain, there's only 3 domains. Ours is called eukaryota. It means that all of our cells have a nucleus. The kingdom, we're an animal, so our category is Animalia. The phylum is Chordata. We have a spinal cord. The class, we're a mammal or mammalia. It means we have milk, produce milk, and body hair. Order, we're a primate, like the orangutans, bonobos, monkeys, gorillas. Those guys are all in the same order. The family is called Hominidae. We're a hominid. Now, all of the other hominids have gone extinct. Homo erectus, Homo neanderthalis, Homo africanus. All of these guys have gone extinct for one reason or another. We are left behind. Our genus is Homo. That's our sort of that category. And then our taxonomic name is Homo sapien, which sort of stands for thinking man. Now, one of the ways to remember these categories in order, and we kind of do this with an acronym, DKPHCOFGS, does King Philip come over for good salad? All right, that's one way to kind of remember, put that little naming thing in your head. Okay, take care. That's taxonomy. We'll see you soon.